I want a cozy ambiance in my sunroom during these cold winter months. Let me show you how I did that. Hi, I'm Diane. Now, my colors in my tiny house are white and beige with a blue accent color strewn throughout. I just took down all of my beach paintings that I had all over my house for the summer because I enjoy seeing that in the hot months. And I took down, and put them up in the building. And now I have up 2 horses, a cowgirl, and a cow. And in my bathroom, I put up angels. Took down all that beach stuff. So the angel video in my bathroom will be coming up in about a week. Hope you enjoy that. But today, I'm talking about my sunroom. Now, the best way that I think to cozy up a room is to put up curtain panels. Now, I chose this. It is just a buffalo plaid, white and beige. I got it at the online fabricstore.com. It was relatively inexpensive, but it was 54 inches wide, which is what I'm used to working with. So, January and February, and I know where you guys live, it's probably a lot colder and snowier, but I live in the South, but it's still dreary and wet and windy. And I just wanted my sunroom to be cozier. I just wanted to be snuggled up, I bought a new little fireplace from Walmart. It's not very big, but it puts out the heat. And it's right in front of where I sit. And it's right under the TV. So I can be all snuggled up there on the sofa with my dogs and my cat. And everything's just going to be great because I'm going to be retired in 1 more week. So that's why I decided to put up drapes in my sunroom. Now, all of you know that I love my sunroom. And I love the fact that it's open and that I can see outside. I love it. I really do. But I thought just for 2 months, I can live with drapes up just during those cold months. So, that's what I did. I'm looking at them right now. By the way, I put a link below I showed you how I made that curtain. If you want to watch that and do it yourself, because they're so simple. I mean, I do it for a living, and I have found simple ways of doing things. These look like drapes, but they're not. They're made very, very simple. No rods, no rings, no hooks. Very simple. If you want to watch that video, it is below. Okay. Now this, I'm going to show you the hook so you'll know. This came from Amazon. It's just a plain little hook. Now I have 4 wide windows. I guess they're about maybe 50 inches wide. It took 16 hooks per window. So it took me a long time to put them up. Because I'm 76. Shouldn't probably be on a ladder. But I took my time. Did it very slowly. It took me a day and a half. But I finally got them up. I even had to move the sofa out of the way, which is very heavy. But I got it all done. And I think it looks great. Now here's what surprised me. I love them too much. I'm thinking, oh my gosh, I think I'm going to leave these up more than 2 months. I don't know yet, but I do love them. And I know you want to see them, so I'll quit delaying it. But I do want to tell you one thing. Next week is my last week to work. And I am doing, okay, let's call it frou-frou again. Yeah, they're very ornate. Just let me show you a picture, okay? Let me show you a picture. Now, I actually made those curtains that you're looking at years ago. Now, they want them replaced in the same style with just different fabric. So it's a lot of pieces, and there are 3 windows. I showed you all 3 windows in the pictures. And I'm not exactly looking forward to it, but what I'm looking forward to is it's my last order. Oh my God, I'm so excited, y'all. Really, I am. But I just wanted you to know what my last job was. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the curtains. Okay guys, welcome to my sunroom. Do you love it or what? I love it. It just cozied up the room so much. I'm thinking I'm going to leave it more than 2 months. Now down at this end, I have 2 shades that just pull down to block the sun. So of course I didn't need curtains there. That would have been too much. But I do love them. I'll show you the tiebacks. These were relatively inexpensive from Amazon. They just screw into the wall, to the facing. My dogs are wandering around. Okay, I want to show you what I did at the sliding doors. Let me see if I can zoom in on that. Do you see that? I smocked the top of it. You do that with a needle and thread. Isn't that pretty? Of course, I didn't want anything to cover up the door. I didn't need it covered. That goes onto a porch. So, I just smocked that one. And I love it. I had thought about doing that years ago, just putting up one panel and smocking it. I think it looks very smart. Okay, let me show you from back here. Now, it's hot outside, and it's right after Christmas. What is going on? I want to sit down on the couch and snuggle up and turn my little fireplace on and sit there with my dogs and watch TV. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. Okay, love is coming your way.